I'm trained in physics. I did my PhD in the foundations of quantum theory. If I'm doing agriculture now for the last 35 years, it's because I realized something is very wrong. Agriculture is supposed to be about biodiversity. That's the agriculture I grew up in. It was never supposed to be chemical monocultures. It's supposed to be care for the land. And when you care for the land and you care for biodiversity, those ecosystems and biodiverse relations and their services maintain the pests, they maintain the weeds. You don't have to chop down the forests. Biodiverse ecological systems maintain the cycles of carbon and nitrogen, which are the broken cycles leading to greenhouse gases. I have a book called Soil Not Oil, how 50% of the emissions come from food system. But this food system has also become so clumsy and so violent that it has to invade into forests. The Amazon is burning for GMO soya. The Indonesian forests, rainforests are being destroyed for palm oil.